Hello and welcome back to our channel. We are going to test these Asian candies. And we were going to wait for my husband, but he's plowing, always plowing. And so we're not waiting for him. So he can taste some when he gets
back. Yeah, we can
and
if
he gets in, but so it doesn't say anything. We're not gonna organize. We're just gonna eat one and say if it's good or not. So we'll leave some of these mango ones because those are my husband's favorite. But okay, come pick a candy that you want to try.
I want to try this one. This is my favorite one of all. Mom,
What?
these are yummy.
Okay.
I have these.
Okay. Show the candy that you're gonna eat. Here.
This is lychee.
This.
Lychee. I have lychee.
And they're are they hard? Yeah, they're like a hard candy.
Lychee.
Baileys. What are you having too?
This is lychee.
Ooh, Ollie, what are you having? Here. He's having these. I think they're it says Ha Flakes.
Lychee.
But I don't know what Ha Flakes is. They look like wafers. But and I'm gonna eat a white rabbit.
Milk the.
Because white rabbits are delicious.
Yeah.
So.
Mom, these are yummy.
And my husband went to the Asian store today, but he said they didn't have any white rabbits. And when we went to China, we bought multiple bags because they're so good.
This is not very good. I won't try one.
Are they good? No.
This is yummy.
The milk that I got is delicious.
So let me know if you've had white rabbit. This is what the package looks like.
Mom, those are my yummies. Take that away. Mom, can I have a white rabbit?
We don't have any more. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
I wanted the white
Can
rabbit.
you split it in half because I want a white rabbit too. Only it's hard. I know.
It's totally stuck in my teeth.
It's chewy. Mine's chewy.
Hey, this stuff's edible. I know kung fu. I can bend the bars of the thingabug.
Oh, really? You can't be in the video because you don't have pants on.
How about you take
So you need to sit down and don't move.
So you take a bite and then.
Oh, this
They
is
were
coffee.
supposed to get their jammies on.
This is a coffee one.
Just keep biting.
And this
I
one.
think there's 2 of everything.
You wait decide that I was going to
Okay.
try.
So I'm eating this Ha Flake.
It's good.
You ate the knockdown?
Oh yeah, I think I've had these sometime. But they're good. This.
And guess what?
I think this is
Well, guess what? These were in the things that we had before.
So we did get a refund for that Mexican candy because it wasn't just gross. And Kaya said she read the reviews.
And they were almost 5 stars. I'm like,
Yeah. But it was so bad. It wasn't it was just gross. It was they were bad. And yeah. So okay, what next? I want to try this. It's like a pineapple gummy thing.
I'm
It
gonna try
says
this popping candies.
pineapple gummy. Oh, it's exactly what I said.
And I'm
What?
gonna try super cola.
Super cola. You have to save.
We'll have to save some for Dad, but
We have to save some for Dad.
Oh, we should leave one of everything for him.
we already ate all the white rabbits.
That's fine.
So.
Here, I'll do one of everything except for these. We've already had this, so that's.
Yeah, he can have one of everything. We'll just try
Everything.
the other stuff. That was good, that pineapple one. I like pineapple stuff. This is like totally going past my sugar intake for the week.
Ooh, these are peach flavored popping candies. I shouldn't have taken them.
Hi.
Ooh, they're like pop rocks.
I'm gonna try this mango gummy.
Oh wait, here's one. Strikes.
What?
There's two.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
What are these? Oh, you have to wait.
Okay,
Mango
so I'm gonna have this.
I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna have this soon.
Ooh, what's yours say,
I'm
May?
having this.
Let's see. It's a milky here. I don't know.
Can you put up mine? That I did it.
Yeah. And Oliver's trying this kind. Oh, my husband just came in, so
But he
maybe
went
he'll
back
join. Oh, he went back out. Just kidding.
I'm
So
gonna have
this,
this
so this
mango
one says
candy.
Kasugi candy. Whatever that is. And mine's just super lemon.
Mine is
So
pineapple.
super, ooh, that, I have that.
That's good. Oh, never mind.
Mom, can I
This mango
you
thing,
open
and
it,
in the
please?
back.
Ooh, no, I
Oh,
want
yeah.
this.
These are good. We've had these before at the Asian store. We like going to my former sister-in-law is Vietnamese. And so we used to eat a lot of Asian food when we went over there. But we're still addicted to the Asian store. And my husband loves Asian stuff. So this is sour, I'm guessing, because it's lemon and it has like sour powder on it.
Yeah.
So we'll see how it is.
This is written in a weird language, so I don't know what this is.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try this tangerine candy.
I got this one.
This is like in Chinese, so I don't know what it says.
These candies are off limits.
I'm gonna try this.
Are these?
This is coffee.
Oh.
Mommy,
Okay.
I'm gonna have this. Whoa, look at that.
Oh yeah, fruit, chili.
Mom, look.
This one. Oh. Is
Flour.
it?
Flour candy.
So the outside of this was very.
Up.
What are you doing?
Trying to show them.
He's like falling over. So the outside of this was sour. The sour candy is gonna be really funny to watch because it is making me have a sour face. Oh,
Okay.
it's sour.
The next thing I'm gonna try is the salt and lemon candy.
Guys, I'm
Hopefully
gonna
it's
eat
good.
it.
Because I don't like salt on anything.
And it's
Besides food.
pink.
What it looks like.
This is the last thing.
It's not. I can taste the salt. It's not very good.
Yeah. This one is grape gummy candy.
I think we've had this before.
We have.
Oh yeah. And I'll just take a bite so we all can try it.
Good.
This is disgusting.
Here, hand it.
Yum.
What is it?
Salt and lemon.
Hey.
Salt and lemon. Gross.
Disgusting.
So that
Did you already
Is-
open this? No.
our bag. I don't know how many
Not one in it.
were in it.
You can't walk
Probably
around
around.
and diaper, Ollie.
Let's see. I said you have to sit down. But he has a pile of candy, so we probably have. So we probably have around 40 to 50 pieces of candy.
Yeah.
That was good.
She spit her candy off me. And I'm not sure how much it was. I'll post it in the comments. But
No, you can't take that.
I know I'm just open. No, I
Mm.
steal it all.
sorry, I still have that lemon thing in my mouth.
I wanted one of those.
Oh, maybe you can ask Dad. But that was super lemony. And comment below if you've had Asian candy. This was the bag. We just got it on Amazon. And it had, it had candy from like, they had Vietnamese candy and Korean candy. And I don't know what else, what else it said. But
They eat salt and lemon candy.
yeah, it just says Asian candy, Korean candy mix. So yeah, most of it was really good. Except for obviously the one Kaya had. But I might like it. I didn't try it. But
Now you
yeah,
can see me.
please subscribe and like.
Subscribe.
And we'll see you later.
Bye.